Millions of people could gain reliable internet access under the new infrastructure bill. $65 billion is dedicated to improving access to broadband nationwide. Caroline Corrigan tells us billions of dollars will go to Tennessee and takes us to Meigs County to show us why school leaders rely on this new funding.
For nearly 10% of Tennesseans, access to reliable internet is a luxury. In Meigs County, Director of Schools Clint Baker will admit that it's always been a problem, but the coronavirus pandemic put it into a new perspective.
We estimate through surveys that we have between 40 and 50% of our kids that have access to reliable home internet.
He says communicating with parents is a challenge in itself. As far as virtual learning, they were able to send kids home with Chromebooks, but many students couldn't access online assignments.
So in many cases during that first part, it became hard copy packets of work that would cover, a week at a time and then return those.
He says students were constantly behind.
We forget a lot of times how important the relationships are in the education process, and they're crucial.
Earlier this year, a state grant of more than $600,000 was set aside to improve internet access in Meigs County. While it enhanced broadband for a portion of the county, many people are still without internet in the southern portion of the county.
Maybe this infrastructure bill will help serve the outer reaches that are off of Highway 58. So that's what we're hoping for.
Reporting in Meigs County, Caroline Corrigan, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Now, some states have task forces to provide input on the development of a statewide broadband network. At least 26 states, not including Tennessee, have enacted these initiatives.